Trade first is an efficient method for subtracting numbers. It is very similar to what many people know and call borrowing. Let me show you how you can use virtual blocks to help you with trade first. After you really understand it and can solve subtraction problems easily, you won't need the blocks. First, we're going to click on eToolkit. We're going to solve the problem you see here. First, click on eTools. I like the base 10 blocks flat. I also like the small size. $345. Let's subtract 122. Notice I'm lining up my hundreds, tens, and ones. I can see I don't need to make any trades in order to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 tens minus 2 tens is 2 tens. 3 hundreds minus 100 is 2 hundreds. Let's clear the board and try another problem. Let's look at the problem using blocks. $287 minus, if I look at the blocks, I can see that I don't have enough ones to subtract 8 ones. I like to put a dot above where I'll need to trade first. I can trade in a 10 to get more ones. I don't go all the way down the street to the hundreds house. I just go right next door. Look how I recorded what I did on the problem. Now I have 7 tens and I have 17 ones. I am ready to subtract. 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 tens minus 6 tens is 110. 2 hundreds minus 100 is 100. Let's try another problem. I'm going to clear the board. Looking at the blocks, I can see I have a problem in the tens place. I also put a dot above the tens place in the problem. I need more tens, so I'm going next door to the hundreds place. Now I have 2 hundreds. For the 100, I got 10 tens. I already had 1 10, so now I have 11 tens. Notice how I marked the problem. I'm ready to subtract. The answer is 42. Let's try another problem. If I look at the blocks, I can see I don't have enough tens or ones to subtract what I need to subtract. I put a dot above the tens and the ones of the problem. With the trade first method, we do all trades that we need to do before we do any subtracting. That's why it's called trade first. I need more ones, but I don't have any tens next door, so let me fix my tens problem first. I'm going to the hundreds place to get more tens. I now have 100 and 10 tens. Now I can go next door to the tens place and get more ones. I traded in a 10. I now have 9 tens. I got 10 ones for that 10. I had 6 ones. I now have 16 ones. Notice how I marked the problem. I've made all my trades and I'm ready to subtract. The answer is 158. Use the virtual blocks when solving homework problems until you can easily subtract using trade first.